Triangle given length of 3 sides, side, side, side. Construction 10. Okay, so in the question they will give you, first of all, the name of the triangle. So we'll call this the triangle ABC. Okay, and then they'll give you the measure of the 3 sides. Okay, so we'll say that the measure of AB is 7 centimeters. The measure of BC is 10 centimeters. And the measure of A to C is 8 centimeters. So you will be given that in the question. Okay, so typically what we do is we draw a little rough triangle first. Now for triangles, it's generally easiest to put the longest side on the bottom. It's only convention. It doesn't mean that it's not right if you don't do that, but it makes things a wee bit easier sometimes. So I'm going to put BC on the bottom. So from B to C, I'm going to say is 10 centimeters. So that would leave me with my vertex A up here somewhere. So from A to B is 7 centimeters, and from A to C is 8. Okay, so that gives me an idea of what I'm doing. So I'm going to start at this part. I'm going to start where the base of my triangle is 10 centimeters. So I'm going to start by drawing a ray. So from the 0, remember, I'm going to draw a ray that's greater than the 10 centimeters. Okay, and I'm going to take my compass and I'm going to measure 10 centimeters on it from my 0 to 10, and I'm going to choose this as my vertex B. I'm going to put my point on vertex B and cut off 10 centimeters on that ray. So now I know that this is the end of that line segment. That is the vertex C. Okay, now I know A is up somewhere up here. So first of all, I'm going to draw 7 centimeters. So back to your ruler, point on 0, and then back to 7 centimeters. So there's 7. Now put the point on the vertex B. Okay, and we're going to draw a nice big arc there. Nice and big because we're hoping to intersect it on the other side. So everywhere along that arc, this distance is 7 because it's a radius of this circle. Okay, then for the side AC that's 8, let's go back, put the point on 0 and open it up to 8. Okay, there we go. Put the point now on the C. Okay, and everywhere along this arc will be a distance of 8 from C. So here's a distance of 8, so is here, so is here. And you're looking for that magic place where the distance from C is 8, but the distance from B is 7. And that magic place is exactly where those two intersect. So that will be my vertex A. So I know from A back to B then is definitely 7 centimeters. And I know from A back to C is definitely my 8 centimeters. And my base then we put in as 10 centimeters. So there is a triangle drawn with the condition that I had 3 sides, side, side, side.